What if I told you that the fastest growing blockchain just became fully mobile native? And there's $100,000 in free tokens on the line. Sonic, the L1 that's taken DeFi by storm with over $1 billion in TVL in less than 5 months, is now live on Trust Wallet, the most used self-custodial wallet in the world, with over 200 million users. And to celebrate, they're giving away $100,000 in S tokens to 10,000 winners. This isn't just a collab, it's a major leap forward in making multi-chain DeFi accessible for everyone, everywhere. So if you're holding S dollars or using Sonic DAPs, this is your moment. Let's dive in. Sonic blockchain isn't just another layer 1, it's racing ahead with serious momentum. In under 5 months, it hit $1 billion in total value locked, placing it in the top 9 blockchains globally by TVL. Sonic isn't just fast, it's blazingly fast. With sub-second confirmation times and over 400,000 transactions per second, it's currently the highest performing EVM layer 1 on the market. It's tailor-made for DeFi, combining raw speed, low fees, and next-gen infrastructure. We're talking about real-time transactions with an average cost of just $0.001. And it's not just about speed, it's what's being built on top of it. Sonic is already home to some of the most exciting DeFi protocols. Silo for permissionless lending, Beats with dynamic AMMs, and Pendle, which brings yield tokenization directly to Sonic. The $S token powers everything, from staking to swapping to governance. It's the fuel behind the ecosystem. Plus, builders on Sonic can earn up to 90% of their app's fees, thanks to its fee monetization model, a real incentive for innovation. And now, with Trust Wallet integrating Sonic directly, it's not just powerful, it's fully mobile native. You can store, stake, and explore Sonic's DeFi world on the go with zero friction. Let's walk through how to get started. And yes, how to enter that $100,000 giveaway. Step 1. Download Trust Wallet. Head to the link below in the description and install Trust Wallet for your platform, iOS, Android, or Chrome. Step 2. Add Sonic to Trust Wallet. Once inside, go to the search bar, type Sonic, and add Sonic to your wallet. Step 3. Move your S tokens. Send your Sonic tokens from another wallet or exchange to your new Trust Wallet Sonic address. Step 4. Explore Sonic DAPs from mobile. Once you've got Trust Wallet set up and your S tokens loaded, tap into the Discover tab at the bottom of the app. From there, you'll see a list of top DAPs. And yes, Sonic-powered platforms are featured. Whether you're looking to farm yields, lend assets, or just explore new DeFi projects on Sonic, you can connect instantly, right from your phone. It's fast, secure, and fully mobile native. No complicated steps, just tap, connect, and you're in. This integration means you can now interact with the full Sonic ecosystem, anywhere, anytime, using Trust Wallet. Here's how to grab a piece of the $100,000 giveaway. Click this link to access the campaign page. Then complete these tasks. Click Connect with Trust Wallet. Then click Connect to complete the process. Follow Trust Wallet and Sonic Labs on Twitter. Like and retweet the campaign post. And most importantly, verify that your Trust Wallet holds at least $5 worth of S. That's it. You'll be entered into a draw where 10,000 users will each win a share of the $100,000 prize pool. No gas fees, no swaps required, just complete the quest and verify. To wrap it up, Sonic is moving fast. And now it's fully mobile ready thanks to Trust Wallet. Whether you're a DeFi degen or just getting started, this is your chance to explore a high-growth chain and earn real rewards. So if you're holding S dollars or you want in, move your tokens, join the quest, and you might just bag your share of $100,000. Smash that like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more DeFi Alpha, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you on chain.